Sorry, y'all, that video cut off. A little technical difficulty with the technology. So just to kind of recap from that last video, I was subtracting 9x squared minus 5x squared, and I got 4x squared. And then the negative 12x minus 8x, which I get negative 20x. Okay, and then remember the 4's, they eliminated to 0. So I do have a linear term, which means I am going to solve by factoring. So I'm going to take out my GCF, which is 4x, and then I'm left with x minus 5. And so I'm going to have to set both of these equal to 0. So 4x equals 0, so here x equals 0, x minus 5 equals 0, and x equals 5. So what we again need to see is, while we did get 0 and 5, can I actually use both of these as answers for the context of the question? So remember, my short length was 0. My long was, I'm sorry, not 0, sorry. Timeout, was x. I was ahead of myself there. My long was 2x plus 2, and my hypotenuse was 3x minus 2. Well, think about this. If I substitute 0 into the short length of x, I would just get the short side was 0. There is no way that one side length of a triangle is 0. So therefore, I cannot use x equals 0. I can only use the x equals 5. Now also remember that the word problem said find the length of the hypotenuse. So I don't even have to find the short and the long, but I need to utilize those in context of my answers. In addition, maybe a problem that you have will ask you to find all 3 side lengths of the triangle. You need to just see what the question's asking. This one's just asking for the hypotenuse. So I'm going to substitute 5 for x. So 3 times 5 is 15 minus 2, which is 13. And we were talking in inches, so it is going to be 13 inches for that hypotenuse. Again, I apologize that video cut off, a little technical difficulty there, but that wraps up that last problem.